Hi and welcome to this Excel video tutorial, and in this video we are going to learn the different techniques and formulas that we can use to convert text into proper date formats in Excel. Something very important to keep at the back of your mind is that dates in Excel are treated as numbers, and so when they are typed into the Excel they must align to the right, whereas text will always align to the left. So in our specific example over here we have dates that have been entered separated with full stops, and Excel has treated this one as text. What we have to do is to convert this one into a proper data format, and one of the techniques we could use over here is highlight all the dates, hit the Ctrl H on your keyboard to open the find and replace dialog box. What are we finding? We are finding a full stop and we are replacing it with a slash. You can click on replace all. There you go. All your dates will be converted automatically and you'll see them aligned to the right. And the other method you could use is using a formula in Excel called substitute. So you come over here and say equals substitute, open brackets, highlight the cell that contains the text, put a comma. The only text that would like to replace is the full stop. So I'll open quotes, full stop, close quotes, comma. We would like to replace it with a slash. I will open quotes, put a slash, close quotes, and then I close brackets, hit enter key on my keyboard. So because substitute is a text function, what it has done is it has replaced the full stop with a slash, but this is still recognized as a text because you can see it's aligning to the left. So what you have to do over here is to come over here to your formula and you wrap the whole function into a function called value, open brackets, close brackets over here, hit enter key on your keyboard. So your text has been converted into a proper date. However, it is still showing as a number. Like we previously said that dates are treated as numbers in Excel. So this one should not scare you. What you have to do is to go ahead and highlight your dates. On your home ribbon tab under the number format, you come over here and say short date. And there you go. Your dates will properly show up in a proper date format.